This video demonstrates how to include an Excel sheet into a Word document, to produce a well-formatted, and professional-looking, Edgar filing. Here is a filing document, into which we need to insert an Excel table, before Edgarizing it. And here is the table, opened in Excel. Select the portion of the table to be included in the filing, and press Ctrl+C to copy the table to the clipboard. Now, in the Word document, delete any redundant text, and place the cursor where the table should be inserted. Then, in the Edgar Suite tab in the Word ribbon, click the Excel Table button. Edgar Suite inserts a well-formatted copy of the table into the Word document. You can further enhance the table by applying an alternate row shading. To do so, place the cursor in the first row to be shaded, then click the Row Shade button. The table is now perfect, and the Word document is ready to be Edgarized. So, as seen in this video, Edgar Suite provides all the functionality needed to easily incorporate Excel tables into an Edgar filing.